Jai Hind class, welcome live class of computer science. Students, previous class we have discussed graphics. That chapter is already completed. Hope students everyone question answer and exercise already completed no copy on your notebook. Okay, and hope everyone also start the learning. Okay, so students today we are going to start the new chapter. Before it, uh, we have discussed the last page of this chapter. Already we have discussed previous class and we have given the homework, that in homework assignment, project and group activity. So you have to practice. If any problem better, then you can ask. Okay. So now I am sharing the new chapters PDF file. Students, everyone see. Students, this is the chapter 6 where we are going to discuss customizing the taskbar and desktop. Uh, Students, what we will learn in this chapter: how to customize the taskbar, how to add toolbars, how to disable toolbars, and how to customize the start menu, and how to add shortcut to the desktop. Students, first of all, we're just going to discuss where we are getting the taskbar and desktop on the start. Okay. So first of all, let's see everyone. Students, this one is the desktop. This is the desktop, and this below part this is the taskbar. In taskbar, there is start button. Here we can write something here. This is search, talk to. Okay, this one talks the view. Where many options are given here, and they are here. This is the disable or not internet. Okay, and here is speakers, volume. This is OBS studio. What is the learning, and these all are the icons. Okay, so desktop is having all the icons, and taskbar is the all the pinup icons, and this system. This is the this is the time and date. Okay, students. So this is the taskbar and the desktop. Okay. When you turn on your computer, yes, it is already we have turned on, and Windows load. Okay. The first thing what we will see the desktop and taskbar. We have shown you, students. Not only are the desktop and taskbar the first things you see when you start Windows, but they never leave your computer at all unless you shut it off. That is, it means whatever the first window we are getting, that window, that is the desktop windows. Okay, first they never leave your computer at all unless you shut it off. If you will shut down, then it will be leave, otherwise it's showing on desktop and taskbar always present. That's because the taskbar and desktop are two of the most important part of the windows, where we are keeping all the things. The taskbar is the control center. Okay, students, this is for Windows operating system. Taskbar is the very important, where we can start and manage our all programs. The desktop is your workspace where we can actually we are getting our work what we have completed. Now, what we learn how to customize the taskbar and desktop and how to set them. The work based for us, customizing the taskbar and desktop is a lot like arranging the things. There is no right way of doing it, just whatever works best for you. So students, here we talk about the how to what the use of the desktop and taskbar, and where we are getting. This is many. This is control center, taskbar, and desktop is our workspace. Okay, this is difference between the desktop and taskbar. And this will look back what we are. Microsoft Windows. It is very user friendly operating system. Computer stores all information in the form of files. Files is a place where information is stored, like text, picture, and movies. Folders consist that file or folders. They are used to organize the data. Window Explorer can be used to view all the files and folders. To copy, delete, rename a file or folder, we can. Okay. Recycle will store the deleted files. whatever we have deleted from system, okay, so that all the files is going to recycle bin. If you will delete it from recycle bin, so it is deleted from our system. So students, now the first point is given taskbar. Most of the configuration options are located in the taskbar properties window. Right click a blank area for the Windows taskbar. A shortcut menu for the taskbar appears. These things we will see whatever the toolbars, cascade windows, show windows stacked, show windows side by side. This is the configuration of Windows 7. But we have Windows 10 students and everyone have. So we will see just different from this. Students, you can see here toolbars, students. First of all, I am showing you. Yes. Now students, see one toolbars, search option, so Katna button, so task view button, so people on the taskbar. This many options are given. Okay. Here what we have seen, students. These things we have seen. Next, select the properties from the shortcut menu and the taskbar and start menu property dialog box appears. This thing we will see in the toolbar, start menu, and the taskbar options are helping you to customize the way the taskbar looks, how it is positioned with the following configuration. So students, we can see here one toolbars. We are discussing about the taskbar setting. Lock the taskbar. Students, we can see again I am showing lock and unlock the taskbar. This option will make, this is the Windows 7, so showing like this, but Windows 10 whatever we have shown you, this way we will see. Clear students? So now first of all, first point is lock and unlock the taskbar. What's the use? This option will make the taskbar stay fixed in the place if checked. It would not allow you to move it or change its size. To unlock and uncheck this option, students, everyone had position this taskbar. This is locked taskbar. This is the off we have done. So taskbar we can move anywhere, up, down, anywhere. You can check. And if this is on, so it is the lock. So we cannot move anywhere. It is a fixed of this place. It is bottom place. Okay. Next one is given students. To hide the taskbar. Let us hide the taskbar when you are not using it. When checked, the taskbar will only show up when you take your cursor to the taskbar zone, where the taskbar should be when it's unhidden. Students, you can see here, automatically hide the taskbar and desktop board. If you are on, so taskbar will be hide. So you can check with this option. Okay, I am not doing, but you have to check, students. I am showing you. Automatically hide the taskbar in table mode. You can also here and use the small taskbar buttons. With this button, we can, this taskbar, whatever button are present, so we can show very small. Use peek to preview the desktop when you move your mouse to the show your desktop button and the end of the taskbar. Students, you can see here, use small icons will make the taskbar icon look smaller, which help you save some space. Next one, normal icons is given. If you will choose the small icon, so the icon will be like this position. Okay, taskbar location on the screen. We can move the taskbar to different position. Okay, taskbar buttons never combine when we full and always combine. Never combine will keep all the labels on a taskbar and will never combine the same application. Combine, it means all the combined, that is form of the stack, and always combine lets you combine open. Instead of an application will hide label them. Students, you can see here So wedges or taskbar buttons, yes. Taskbar location on screen. Screen you can see right, top, left. Here we are showing the taskbar is the very bottom, so it's showing the bottom. If you will click on here, right, top, left, so it will go that side, that place. It will be position. Combined taskbar always hide labels. Okay, labels here hide. Okay, when taskbar is full or never. See this. Now with the name. Now never. Okay. So use always hide the labels. So it is the perfect area for this one. Clear students? So again students, look here. Lock the taskbar. That means we can lock the taskbar. So our taskbar cannot move anywhere. Means not up, not right, not left. It is always keep on the place on the bottom. Automatically hide and taskbar the mode. If you will do this, see this friends. Now here from the hide, if you will show here, again come, always automatically hide the taskbar in level mode, 12 mode. There is no 12 mode, so it's not showing. Okay, use small icons. See here, this is already small icons showing. Okay, all the icons are very small. You can you can choose the, if you want to more space, you can choose the small taskbar. Okay, now we have done like that. Use pick to preview. Okay, this is on, off. Use badges on taskbar buttons and bottom, right. Okay, it will be right. If you will do top, so it will be top students. If you will left, it will comes on the left. Okay, if you will bottom, so it will comes on the bottom. Okay students, always hide tables. Task is full, so we have full this. Okay, if you will never, showing this as the same as it, no changes. But if you will do always hide labels, so it will show, no need to space, more space. No need to show the here labels. Clear students? Now next one is students. To add the toolbars to the taskbar. How we can add the toolbars to the taskbar? To add toolbars to the taskbar, right click on the blank space of the taskbar in the right click menu. Go to toolbars and select the option. So first option we will get the address. Here we can see the links, tablet, desktop, language, and then new toolbars. Address, what will getting with this address? This will add a web address. You know, you are writing the www.google.com like this. So you can use on the taskbar directly write the www.desktop google.com. So you will get, it will open it and your default browser. Next one is how to link. Okay, I am showing this process. Okay students, see one. Here toolbars, then now address. If you will write here link www.google.com, okay, and press enter button. Save one, it is opening. Now we are getting google.com. Okay students, if you will want to anything open, so you will place here address and you whatever you will write, it will be open. Okay students, now we just close it and right click here, toolbars, and then click on the address. So now address will hidden. Okay, now next one, toolbars, links. So link will not show like this. When we will click on the toolbars and address, so link address, okay, whatever. Again www.google.com. Okay students, next one is students, go toolbars, click on address, address has gone. Now click on again toolbars and links. Okay, so now you have understood how to use the address and links. Okay, tablet PC input panel. This is for the with using with tablet PC. This is like a keyboard. Students, you can see here. So desktop. Now toolbars. Desktop I am showing here, and here we can show here. So the touch keyboard button. Now if you want to write anything, and click on here. It is yes. This way it will be open, and now we can write. Okay, friends. So that place is showing the same thing here. Tablet PC. Then after that, desktop and new toolbars. Desktop already we have showing you. Students. Desktop already. Just click on here. Okay, wait bit. Yes, toolbars and desktop. Clear? And next one is you add a toolbar with all the shortcuts and items from your desktop. Okay, new toolbar. If you want to add new toolbars, you can use this new toolbar. See, toolbars, new toolbars. Students, if you want to add any toolbars, suppose videos, select folder. In no item here, okay. Suppose this one, select folder. Say here, 3D object has come. You want to remove it? Go toolbars and okay, now gone from here. So by this way we can select it. Again I am showing students new toolbar and anything we have chosen. Suppose zoom, select folder. Now zoom has come here. When we click on it, directly it will be open. Okay students. Now when you close it, it is gone. So students, now you have understood how to add the toolbars. To disable the toolbars from the taskbar, how we can the same process here. To disable the toolbars, we can right click on the taskbar, go to toolbars and click on the toolbar you wish to disable. Okay. In Windows 7, this is Windows 7. If you have a Windows 7, you can use this. If you, however, the mouse over any running applications button in the taskbar, it shows the thumbnail preview of the running applications with a close button. So you can use a student. Okay, students. Here, we want to show you this toolbars, desktop, now gone from here. Okay, students. Now this way we can do here. Whatever we have click on here, so touch window, keyboard window. If click on here, so now it will not show. If right click is there, so it will show. Toolbars, there is no right click, so not showing is anything here. Okay, students. Customize the start menu. Windows 7 provides excellent control over the start menu. We can choose with command apply on the start menu and how we can arrange. We can add options for the control panel, devices and printers, network connection and other key tools. You can also enable or disable the personalized menu on the all program. How we will do, students? So this is a customized form. To change the start menu options, allow these steps. Right click the start on the taskbar and then click properties. So students, and the taskbar and start menu property dialog box is displayed. Click on the start menu tab, use the power button, action list to select the action, use with the power button is pressed. Now switch user, log up, log, reset, sleep and shut down. This option is present, students. this way. First of all, students, see. So the task desktop, see here. Sign out, sleep, update and shut down, update and restart. This is already given in the Windows 10. Okay, so everyone have Windows 10 maybe. Okay, so whatever the given here, this option, so this option already present in switch user, log off, start, sleep and shut down. So no need to do better. And the taskbar start menu, this is already given. Win number 1 to 9 start application pin and taskbar. Yes, how we can do this, students? So desktop, taskbar setting, we can change the background colors. These options are given. Students, select the which icons appears on taskbar. With this, the many things are we are getting the students. OBS, this microphone, this is a microphone. Windows update status, yes, window update status, network, volume, these all are showing students. Whatever. So these things are off. If you will on, then it will be shown on this place. Okay, students. So by this way we are getting. Other thing, turn system icons on or off. So everyone students, clock is on. If you will off, so it will be not, we will show this. Volume, network, power, whatever we are seeing here, these all are on. And touch keyboard, windows and workspace, touchpad, these all are off, so we are not showing here. So otherwise, if you will off on it, so it will show this place. Clear, students? Next one is given multiple displays. It is not showing. So taskbar buttons. So my people notification. See this people notification. Play and sound and my people notification. These all are whatever we will get from the other persons. So that it will show here. The three options are given. The many options are given. So no need to this students. Okay. So taskbar we have done start button. See, show app list in, show more titles on the start. See this. Okay. So app list in start. Now off. It all are off. Okay. So recently added apps I off, I am doing. I am not open, so that not showing. But so more tiles on start, more tiles. If you will, you have saved more app, so it will show. This is app only the save here, so not showing the more app. If you will show, then if you will saved more tiles, so more app, so it will show more tile, more app. So app list in start menu, students, series. Okay. So recently added app, whatever we have used just now, it will be so. 3D viewer we just now. Okay. So most used app, it will also show. Google Chrome, Excel, this all are. This is changes. Okay. So suggestion occasionally is start. So start full screen. Say this. This is full screen has come. Okay, students. So no need to this. Choose the which folder appear on the start. So this way we are getting on. Opening on start. Changing start menu color. These things we can do with the help of this one. Okay, students. So this is the configuration of the start menu. Fonts. We can change the color of fonts. Huh? So these things, how to adding the shortcut to this desktop. Students, now till this, whatever we have discussed today, how to, what the use, what the main parts of the windows, that are main parts, that is the taskbar and that is desktop. Taskbar is the control center and desktop is the workspace. Taskbar, how to we can customize the taskbar, we have discussed. Huh? Lock and unlock taskbar, auto hide taskbar, use small icons, whatever. These things, all the things we have done, and you have to practice, students. And how to add toolbars on to the taskbar also we have done. And these all are options: desktop, new toolbars, how to add the new toolbars on a desktop, on a taskbar, how to disable the toolbars from the taskbar, customize the start menu, how we can do, how to change all things. This is all window 10 that all are present. So this up till here we have done, students. And next we will discuss this, students. So students, whatever till we have discussed, you have to practice, students. And next class we will discuss this next part. Okay, students. Now leaving the class, students. Jai Hind, students. Thank you.